All right, so for your next pool party, look at this. We got the TV right next to our pool because we're not worrying about the TV getting wet. Now the sun is hitting directly, but we're okay because we don't have to worry about splashing or anything like that because this is waterproof. Like I said, spill proof, waterproof. Enjoy it. All right, I ain't kidding. This is a huge TV. This is a 55-inch TV, but it is heavier than normal TV. So I'm gonna show you why. This is an outdoor graded TV. It's covered with a protected layer, so it has that extra cover. It's heavier than regular. It has an extra shell, so in case of any water resistant and all that stuff. So it's a lot heavier than normal TVs. That's why we got this stand. And this is perfect eye level for you guys can see that. I'm gonna show you the back of what you have to do when you tie it down. All right, to power up the TV, the first thing you have to do is remove this plate. These are hand screws, all right? This is to secure anything in there. Now, you might have an issue taking them off because there's a silicone on it to protect the TV from any kind of damage. And there is an area here in the bottom where the cable's gonna come out. And I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna remove all these screws first, all right? All right, we're going to take it off, and this is the actual plate that you need to remember. This has the silicone area cover secure, so and no water will penetrate your TV. Now we expose it, and we're going to connect things in here. All right, underneath of it, you're going to see a connection for an antenna. You have the 3 cables for analog connection, and you have an optical connection, Ethernet, and then it's followed by an HDMI and 2 USBs. The 2 USBs, you can power devices up to 5 volts. Now, on the left-hand corner here, you do have an HDMI. This power cord here, if you have it, you see it. It will not turn on until you lock it in place. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to lock it in place and start it up. All right, we just lock it in place. And if you guys can see, this is so you won't pull it off by accident, because once you set up the lock-in, you're going to make sure that nothing's going to access it. I am also going to set up a HDMI, so I have to run things because I am going to put a console in here. So we are going to run an HDMI. This TV is very ingenious. So if you guys can see, I set up an HDMI in here, but the secondary, it is an HDMI, a secondary HDMI, and they give you a lot more spaces. In case you have to set up your Amazon stick or anything else in here, it's compatible with it. So I like this. And at the same time, you have your USBs, 2 USBs to actually connect to power any device that you have. And it's going to be internal, right? Right now, we're going to close this out so we can keep it secure. All right, first time we're turning on the TV, we're going to test it out. Now, the TV does have the basic stuff that you require for every social media network that you need to set up, your Disney, your Prime, Netflix, and it also reflects on the actual controller. On the controller itself, it reflects the Netflix and Prime, and then you got 4 buttons in the bottom. They're different colors. Go pre-program the colors in the bottom. It has movie, play, and pause in case you have to rewind. The best thing I love about this is it's actually a mouse. There's a mouse in here that you're able to guide it into the system and pretty much go anywhere you want. This thing is one of the best things I've seen so far on the TV. Another great thing is that it does have audio control, all right? On top of it, you have your plus, minus, your channels. You could change channels on here on the actual controller. If you guys can see, we're gonna go back up, down. And this is looking for local network channels. Now, you do have power to turn off all the devices. Best thing about it is YouTube. If you're missing any kind of thing, you could still download it in their app store too. It's Joy Base. Now let's go and test the audio, right? So hit the audio, hold it down, turn on YouTube. Look at that. Automatically, as soon as I set that, it takes you. Love the controller. I haven't set up this stuff, but I love the controller. Everything works really great out of the box, has great options, 2 HDMIs, and high quality. Now, if you guys notice, I do have a light. So this has a coating, so the reflection of the light will not hit it, because this is an outdoor graded TV. You're going to watch your soccer outdoors or anywhere else. You're not going to get offended. Look at this. I'm going to put a light in here. This is an actual light in here. Look how much shining it. You don't get too much of it. All right. So if the sun's right over you, you'll be able to see the actual TV. We're already going to test it out in the day and night so you can see how wonderful this TV looks outdoors. All right, so we'll do that tonight and see how it looks. All right, this TV has everything to get started on your next event. All right, soccer, football, basketball, baseball, pretty much any event, it's ready. Indoors and outdoor is perfect. Now, one thing that you need to know, if you ever lose the controller, look at this. There's the side buttons here. All right, you got basics. You got your power, your right, left, and menu, and auto. All right, so that's a great option to have in case you lose your remote. You have access to it. For outdoor, the TV looks great, even with the sun directly hitting the actual system. Now, you do have the remote control in here. Now, not recommended to put this by the pool unless you add the cover that came with it too. So you have that silicone cover, if you guys can see that came with, along with the TV. Not recommended submergible. It's only to protect it from any kind of splashes or any kind of water that's going to retain around there, right? So you guys notice, so you guys know outdoor graded. Look at that. A nice splash of the TV still runs. You don't have to worry about any electronics or anything. People swimming out in the swimming pool, or your kids having fun, you watching the movies, you don't have to worry about, and it's easy to clean after. If you guys notice, look at the water on it. Perfectly working right. That's what it is meant for outdoor graded, for any kind of rain solutions you have. And of course, you have access to all the buttons in here too if you ever want to just use the remote from here instead of a remote, right? So it's perfect for splashing, outdoor graded, great for pool. And we're also going to take a look at it at night to see how well it looks at night. So we're not even going to clean it, we're just going to leave it as it is. And like I said, spill proof, waterproof. Enjoy it. It works great as the extra coating, the protected layer. How's the audio sound? Sounds good. All right, this is outdoors right now. We have it outdoors.